All right, guys, don't consider this a first-time homebuyer class. Consider this a workshop on learning how to increase your wealth, your long-term wealth, generational wealth. But it starts off with one home, okay? So this is a class for the person who doesn't own a home. We're gonna teach you how to own a home. I'm Walter Lepe, CEO of Lepe Tendwell Properties, top 1% agent in the county. And wanted to invite you to our class Saturday, July 27th. It is at 10 a.m. right? Which means you have to get up early and you have to want it. So I've had people hungover in this workshop before. They really wanted it, right? They came here with a purpose, and that purpose and intention was to learn about how to become a homeowner, okay? So if you ever ask any of these questions to yourselves, hey, how much money do I need to buy a house? What credit score will qualify me for a mortgage? Does the government really help me as a buyer with down payment, right? Spoiler alert, they do. Is it better to rent or to own my home? Huge questions. We're gonna do an analysis so we could compare the difference between home ownership and then renting a property. And it's gonna be actual numbers, so that's gonna be really good. How do I build wealth through real estate? We're gonna teach you how to do that. We're gonna give you examples of people who have done it. And our foreclosure is really the best deals. If you have any of these questions or any other questions about mortgages, loans, tax situations, when owning a home and other things, please come to this workshop. It's free to you, it obligates you to nothing. And it's very important because you learn all these things that you didn't know before. It opens your minds to new possibilities, and it just overall teaches you about wealth. Saturday, July 27th, 10 a.m. I'll see you here.